Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hussein Amar Khan from the Department of Islamic Religious Education. Here I will explain the poster that I have made entitled Interconnected Worlds: Enhance Learning Through English Language and Islamic Values. Why did I raise this theme? Because in my opinion, the use of English can be a bridge to broaden insight into various values and teachings in Islam. Through learning English supported by an understanding of Islamic values, individuals can develop better communication skills while still strengthening their religion, identity, and beliefs. This title highlights the importance of integration between language, culture, and values in the learning process. By understanding and appreciating these two aspects, individuals can enrich their understanding of the complex and diverse world around them. The following is an easier to understand explanation of the points mentioned previously for the posted regarding the relationship between English knowledge and Islamic religious education. First is interconnected world. What that means refer to the concept that our world today is highly connected and interacts with each other globally. This emphasizes the importance of understanding the relationship between the cultures, language, and values of various communities around the world. In practice, we can start by building bridges of communication and cooperation between various communities or entities that were previously isolated. This can be done through the exchange of knowledge, experience, and resources to create greater mutual understanding and synergy. Through an inclusive and collaborative approach, the concept of interconnected worlds can lead to innovation, deeper understanding, and more holistic solution to the world's complex challenge. So, by opening doors and blending boundaries between different worlds, we can create closer relationships and mutual support. So, by opening doors and blending boundaries between different worlds, we can create closer relationships and mutual support to achieve shared goals. Enhancing learning means improving the learning process to make it more effective and meaningful. In this context, the use of English and Islamic values can enrich students' learning experiences and help them develop deeper understanding. In practice, one way to do this is by creating a learning environment that combines a comprehensive understanding of English with Islamic values. Integrating Islamic values into the English language teaching curriculum. For example, by choosing learning material that is relevant to Islamic teachings, such as stories of the Prophet or moral values in Islam. Apart from that, you can also encourage students to respond to the learning material from an Islamic perspective so that they can see the close relationship between English and Islamic values in everyday life. Apart from that, involving students in extracurricular activities that combine English and Islamic values can also be an effective method. For example, through an English language club that hold discussions about Islamic values or social activities that prioritize empathy and cooperation in accordance with Islamic teachings. By implement the concept of enhancing learning through an approach that combines English and Islamic values in learning practices, it is hoped that it can create a holistic learning environment and have a positive impact on overall student development. Islamic values refer to the principles and teachings of the Islamic religion which can serve as guidelines for individuals in behaving and acting in the learning context. The application of Islamic values such as honesty, simplicity, and mutual help can shape students' character holistically. In implementing the concept of Islamic values in the discussions of interconnected worlds, enhancing learning through English language and Islamic values. In practice, you can introduce Islamic values in learning context such as sincerity, justice, patience, and mutual respect. Integrating religious teachings into English learning approach such as linking English lessons with Islamic stories or moral values in everyday life. Encourage students to practice Islamic values in daily interactions, both in the context of English learning and outside the classroom. Provide space for self-reflection and discussion about how Islamic values can be applied in the context of English learning. Develop extracurricular program or special activities that combine Islamic values and English language learning. By implementing these steps, you can create a learning environment that combines Islamic values and English learning in a way that is meaningful and beneficial for students. So empowering connections, what that means empowering relationship between individuals, communities, and cultures through learning English and Islamic values. By understanding and appreciating the difference and similarities between cultures, students can feel more connected to the world around them. Implementation of the concept of empowering connection can be done by promoting empowering relationship between learns, culture, Islamic values, and the English language. One way to implement this concept in practice is to create an inclusive and supportive learning environment where students feel heard, valued, and inspired. Apart from that, implementing collaborative learning which allows students to talk ideas and experiences with each other can also be an effective step. Apart from that, integrating Islamic values into English language learning can help shape students' character who are empathetic, ethical, and responsible. Holistic learning like this not only improves language skills but also forms a better person who can contribute positively to society. Thanks for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.